Here's a real-life look at the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. The purple color looks amazing. It reminds me of the purple on the iPhone 12. Looks like the Galaxy A57 will have a very similar camera design to the Galaxy S26. The Samsung Galaxy A57 is an upcoming mid-range smartphone expected to launch in March 2026. While not yet officially released, the company may use frames made of metal, while the back panel would be made of glass for a premium look. May bring an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. The display is also likely to be slightly smaller, 6.6 inches versus 6.7 in the A56. The resolution is said to be 1080 by 2340 pixels. Super AMOLED Infinity-O HDR display with 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphone will be equipped with an octa-core processor with a frequency of 2.9 GHz, probably Exynos 1680, and will also receive 256 GB of storage and 8 or 12 GB of RAM. The phones will come preloaded with Android 16-based One UI 8.0 or possibly One UI 8.5 software. The Galaxy A57 will also get a camera upgrade, as confirmed by a new leak. The smartphone will use the new 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle and a 5-megapixel macro and a 12MP selfie camera. Galaxy A57 will have a 5000 mAh battery. It will support 45W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.